Hi guys. Guys, today is wash day. I'm busy washing and cooking and cleaning. Right now, I have washed my clothes and I've turned everything out on my bed. So I am going to organize, guys. I'm going to organize. I'm going to put the clothes where they're supposed to go. I'm going to fold them up and put them where they're supposed to go. And I want to clean my two dressers today. I want to do this in half an hour. I don't know how possible it is because guess what, guys? The sun has been playing hide and seek from morning. 1 minute it's in, the other minute it's out. 1 minute it's sunny, the next minute it's cloudy, looking overcast. But it's a beautiful, beautiful day today. I want to go outside. If it's even for maybe half an hour outside. I haven't seen positive weather in a very, very long time. It's +1 in Winnipeg, Manitoba. Today, right now, it's +1. So I want to go out and, try and see if I can catch some of the sunlight that is outside and try and enjoy the outdoors a little bit. So I'm kind of rushing this through, which shouldn't take me long. And I'm just, as I said, just putting these things where they belong. I'm just looking for just folding and putting away in my drawers. And maybe that's all I do today. I don't know. Let's see. I want to clean these dressers. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it. Let's see, guys, if I'm in the mood. If I get a chance to do it or not. Because I really want to go outside today. I'm just folding my clothes. I'm going to stuff them in the drawers in a little while. Matter of fact, I'm just kind of folding them, grouping them to put there where I want to put them. Honest, guys, some of these clothes, depending on where I'm putting them, I don't even fold them. Like my yard clothes, I don't fold that drawer, guys. I just throw them in the drawer. Honestly, that's what I do. There's some of these I just throw them in the drawer. So this is what I'm doing. These little tees that you see me with, like this, I will fold this one. This is the big tees, like joggers. Oh, this is just dropping them in, guys. Dropping them in as I go. Oh my goodness. Towels. This is a stack of towels. Towels, my personal towels. These are my pants, my sweats and stuff. I'll put them in my closet. And then these are my night clothes, guys. All my socks over there. This pile is night clothes. So I'm going to move them to where my night clothes are. There's bulky night clothes, winter wear. These over here are my socks. I'm just gonna find the pairs and match them up. Throw them in the drawer. The bed is clear. Everything is off the bed. Everything is off. The bed is clear.